If you're going to Uganda and you need a visa, it's pretty easy to do it online, and you do need to do it before you travel. Uganda at the minute does not issue visas on arrival, so you do need to do this ahead of time. So what you need to do is you need to go to Uganda's official e-visa website, and I've posted the link in the description below. First, you need to tell the system what type of application are you applying for. Go ahead and have a look. You can see here they've got these different options: an entry permit, student pass, dependent pass, a visa. You're gonna wanna select visa. On this occasion, category, it's gonna ask you what kind. Well, if you're just going as a tourist, go ahead and select Uganda ordinary/tourist visa. It's gonna ask you for a subcategory, and you're gonna click single entry. Once you've done that, it's going to show you all the different things that you need to support your application. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click next step. On this page, you're just going to fill in the form. It's going to ask you for your personal details, everything they need to know about you, your passport information, and also where you're going to be in Uganda. Once you've done that, go ahead and click next step. On this page, you need to upload the supporting documents for your application. You see it needs your passport biodata page, and notice that you need 6 months validity. That's meaning from when you depart Uganda. So if your passport has 3 months remaining from when you depart Uganda, it's not valid. You do need to renew. You could be denied boarding for your flight. If you make it to Uganda, you just might not be let in the country. So definitely take a note of your passport's validity dates. You're going to need that passport size photograph, your yellow fever vaccination certificate. Now, when I was in Uganda, I was not asked to show proof. However, I did see people being asked to show proof. It is part of the application process, so if you don't have it, speak to your doctor or local travel clinic about yellow fever. You also need your return ticket to show your entry into Uganda and when you're exiting Uganda. Once you've done all that, go ahead and click next step. On this page, you're just going to need to review your application. Make sure everything is correct. You've spelled everything correctly. You've got the right dates. Your passport number is correct. You've uploaded the necessary documents. If you want to make a copy of your application, you can click print, save it as a PDF, print it, whatever you want to do. But if you're happy with your application, go ahead and click submit. On this page, it's going to ask you what your payment method is. Now, make a note of your application ID and the group code for any reference, just in case something happens. You're gonna want that reference. So when you click on the payment mode, click Pay Online with Credit Card. Then you're going to click the red Pay button, and it's just going to give you a disclaimer about how payment options have been saved successfully, and you're going to be redirected to a payment gateway. Do you want to proceed? Go ahead and click Accept. You're going to see a pop-up, and it's going to ask you about which payment method you'd like to use. Go ahead and click on your preferred payment method and then click Next. It's then going to give you a breakdown of your customer name, your email, all these things. Review it and then click Pay Now. You'll then see a pop-up, and it's going to take a few seconds to load, so you just need to be patient. It's going to ask you to enter in your card details and then Pay Now. Once you've paid, you should get a confirmation email, and your visa is going to take probably about a week. I've heard of some people getting theirs within 3 days, and I've also heard of people getting theirs within 3 weeks. So certainly allow enough time before your trip to Uganda. Once you get your visa, print out some copies just to have on hand, just in case, and that's it. It's that easy.